Hey guys, Alpine Companies. Here's some more videos on the project I'm working on that I promised. I'm down to about 150 ports to inject. I think the total on this project was almost 500. It's going good, just slow. Here's a little example how you want your injection to go. Ports in nice and tight. Just want to follow these guys. You just watch these bubbles. Epoxy injections, kind of an art. I've done thousands of these jobs. Ports got to be put on right. Stuff needs to be sealed. And even then, this epoxy can travel off onto weird places on the wall and want to all of a sudden leak out of this hole right here. You just never know. So we're injecting these guys nice and slow, watching those bubbles go through. Need epoxy injection. Quite a bit of other services that I do on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can watch over 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. Little epoxy injection in this pedestrian tunnel. See you guys on the next video.